It took about 2.5 hours, but Rob and I got this pile of dirt down in place, and this is all that's left. I had planned on coming out to clean this up, but typical for the summer, we had a pop-up shower, and then it continued to rain or sprinkle for quite some time, so unfortunately this is the mess that is left. All the levels are now full. With the exception of our circular. I didn't fill it up all the way because I haven't yet got to the back, so the dirt won't come out. That we will get probably using the rocks that you see that are on the wall. But each section filled up is looking pretty darn good, I think. Now comes the planting, which I plan on doing today, and cleaning up what needs to be cleaned up. So this will be the last of the dirt delivery until spring, which we know the dirt will settle and we will need more. Just how much more? Of course we won't know until next spring. Again, this time all that was left was 2 wheelbarrow fulls, which is here, which I will spread out into the low spots. I dumped a few along here where we can see we need to be filled, and over here where we need to be filled. But the hard work is now done. And to me, the planting, that's easy, that's fun.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.